Karseell Hair Care Straightening Kit, 12 weeks professional straightening. Hair Care 4-piece set, natural smoothing set. Step 1. Use Maca cleansing shampoo to clean impurities from hair and blow dry. Step 2. Apply Maca Gold Keratin evenly to hair. Leave for 25 to 30 minutes. Blow dry with a hair dryer. Straighten with a flat iron, 220 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. Step 3. Use Maca Moisture Shampoo to replenish moisture to hair. Step 4. Use Maca Repair Conditioner to repair damaged and frizzy hair. Make hair smooth and shiny. Karseell. A course of treatment lasts for 12 weeks. Take care of your smooth hair.